Hi guys, today I received this Baseus charging cable for living purposes, and I think it's a really nice cable because, well, this data cable is made out of environmentally friendly materials in a high percentage, like a 42% of plant-based materials, which is really nice because they are really biodegradable materials and they can help reduce the pollution upon the environment, which is, well, perfect. It's a very durable cable. It has this bend so you can, well, fold it like this, and you don't need any kind of other bend because you get this one and it stays like that, which I think is a really nice accessory to a cable. It's a really long cable actually. The design, it's really beautiful. I like a lot of the colors, and you can use it, well, it's a type C to type C, so you can use it in many kind of situations. Like you can charge your earbuds like that, you can see they are charging, or even your bigger headphones like this kind of one shows a red LED right there. They are charging, so I think it's really nice. As you can see, it's a very secure and very sturdy charging port, which is really nice because, you know, sometimes cables tend to wear from this part, and it's really flexible, which is really nice. As you can see, you can bend it and it goes like it's used to. It's a fast charging cable, but what I think is the most interesting thing, and which why I like this cable and will really recommend, because it's a 200 centimeters long cable, which is really nice, right? You can use it like in your car if you're on travel and someone wants to charge their phone, their headphones. Well, you don't have to worry if the cable will be enough, because this cable, sure, it's enough. I really like this kind of string. It's really practical. So yeah, I will really recommend this cable. It's really nice.